All right, so we need to decompose this partial fraction. Okay, so if you can see nicely, this is 2x minus 1 over x minus 1 inside the brackets, x plus 4 inside the brackets. So how do we decompose this partial fraction? All right, so the first thing must be to just say equal to, we get the denominator 1, so we get x minus 1 plus, we do the same this time around, we put x plus 4. Just get what is here, put it here, and what is here, put it right there. Now on top we put a and b right here. Okay, so the next thing here must be to find the common denominator, the lowest common denominator that all these two can go in. Actually, that is what we have here. So it's x minus 1 x plus 4. This is our common denominator, and then we put the line like that. Okay, so here we say this stuff into this denominator. It will just be 1 multiplied by what is on top. We have 2x minus 1, which is equal to, here we shall have a, because this into this, we are definitely going to forget about this and get what is here. So it's x plus 4. The same b, this one will cancel, will remain with x minus 1, like that. Okay, I guess you're following up to this stage. The next thing now will now be to multiply, or just forget about the denominator this time around, or if you don't mind, you multiply this whole thing by the denominator that we have right here. Okay, so that this and this can cancel. Okay, we will remain with 2x minus 1 is equal to a x plus 4 plus b x minus 1, like that. So this is what we have. So the next thing now is now to distribute, get rid of these brackets. So we have 2x minus 1 here is equal to, here we shall have ax plus 4a plus bx minus b. So I've just gotten rid of the brackets. So the next thing here will now be to check we start with what has got x. Okay, x, and we move according to the degree, okay, of the variable. So here the variable, here we have the power 1, here x power 1, and here it's x power 1. So we start with this, get a x plus b x is equal to 2x. You see what I've done? I've gotten this is equal to this because they are all having the x. So I wanted to show you, that's why I was putting the x, but the normal thing to do is to just get a plus b is equal to 2. This a plus this b is equal to 2. Next you get this one without x. Okay, so 4a minus b, this b, 4a minus b is equal to, this side without x is negative 1. Okay, so we have these two equations, so we can solve them simultaneously. Okay, I guess you know how to solve simultaneous equations. So here, having these different signs here, we can add such that this and this will cancel, will remain with 5a. When we add a plus 4a, it's 5a, which is equal to 1, because 1 plus negative 2, it's positive 1. So we now divide, okay, by 5 by 5. Okay, we're solving for a. So our a, let me write it, a is this is our a. Okay, the value of a is 1 over 5. That's the value of a. All right, so upon finding the value of a, we get back to this stage right here. Okay, so we pick whichever equation we want to work with, this one or this one, because we want to find the value of b. So I'll get the one which is on top, it's okay, or we can get the other one. I'll maintain this one and put your a right here, which is 1 over 5 plus b is equal to 2. Okay, so solve for b. You group the like terms. We shall have 2 minus 1 over b, of which when you do your calculations here, you find that your b will be equal to 9 over 5. Okay, so this is 9 over 5 as our b. That is when we solve this right here. Okay, so upon finding the value of a and b, we get back to our step right here, our first step right here. Clear space, we need enough space. So we now say this whole thing, 2x minus 1 over x minus 1 x x plus 4 inside the brackets there is equal to, what is our a? It's 1 over 5 over x minus 1 plus, what is our b? Our b is right here. This is our b, 9 over 5. So this is 9 over 5 over x plus 4. So you can leave your answer like this if you don't mind, or if you want, you can simplify further. Okay, you remain with 1 over 5 x minus 1 plus 9 over 5 x plus 4. But all the same, if you leave your answer right here, you can still be marked. Okay, so that's it. Thank you so much for watching my video. So for any request that you'd like me to do, you can send it via my email address, which is sichamba.jacob@yahoo.com.